our hands on new data when it comes to the virus in Mecklenburg County. Take a good look here. As of Saturday, there are 9,825 cases in the county. The percentage of positive cases is fairly stable at 11.3%. The latest numbers from hospitals show that on June 28th, 149 people were in the hospital, the highest so far. The average of 142 people is an increase over the last 2 weeks. Not good news. And we all know social distancing or keeping 6 feet away from people is crucial right now. And the county says data shows that social distancing has slightly increased in the last 2 weeks. The World Health Organization says the virus is speeding up around the globe and we are nowhere near the end.
The hard reality is this is not even close to being over. The worst is yet to come.
Very tough words to hear there. The CDC says there's too much virus across the U.S. for anything to be done and over with. 32 states are reporting increases in cases, including the Carolinas. And coming up over the next 90 minutes, the State Board of Education will meet ahead of Governor Cooper's announcement of how schools will operate this fall. And we checked the BOE's agenda. It was pretty vague, but they will consider some COVID-19 related issues. Overnight, the American Academy of Pediatrics came out with a strong statement in favor of bringing children back into the classroom this fall. The group cites mounting evidence that transmission of the coronavirus in young children is uncommon, partly because they are less likely to get it in the first place. The pediatricians group argues based on remote learning back in the spring, it's likely to result in severe learning loss and increased social isolation. They also warn those impacts are more severe on Black and brown children as well as low-income children and those with learning disabilities. Let's turn to Washington, D.C. now. Dr. Anthony Fauci testified to lawmakers about the federal government's ongoing efforts to contain the pandemic. He says reopening schools should be determined on the infection rate in each area.
The Republican senator leading today's discussion on Capitol Hill had a clear message. Everyone should be wearing a mask, and it should not be a partisan issue. Today, lawmakers are looking into how to safely reopen our schools and get back to work without compromising public health. Dr. Anthony Fauci testified about the federal government's ongoing efforts to contain the coronavirus pandemic. He pointed to studies looking at the impact the virus has on children and research on treatments. Dr. Fauci says reopening schools should be determined on the infection rate in each area.
The basic fundamental goal would be, as you possibly can, to get the children back to school and to use the public health efforts as a tool to help get children back to school.
And today we're also hearing from the head of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The CDC says it's working with local and state health departments to develop strategies for reopening safely. I'm Samantha Manning reporting from our Washington News Bureau.